Bands and Sense on the Midday Connection.
And it's that time, man. Once again, on a Monday, we need to navigate a very tough conversation. And I'm saying, obviously, this stems from the recent decision in the Constitutional Court. Like decided if you pay a certain amount of ilobola, you are considered ushadile and ushadegwe in community of a property. To help us navigate this conversation, please help us welcome Uzola Mbatha, attorney and founder of Legacy Yezibaya. Sigbingelele Zola, welcome to Ireti Mnandamini.
Yebo nyakumusha njani lapho Nkosi yami.
Siyazama Nkosi yami noma kushibilika kodwa ke siyazama.
Umuntu ubuyile in the chaotic, very organized space. Happy New Year. I hope ngene kahle. I'm excited to be back.
Mina ngifuna ungithatha ungibeke Zola mfethu, and obviously uchazela nomlaleli kaGasi FM. In simple terms, yonke le ruling entsha ke Constitutional Court when it comes to ilobola nomshado uchaza ukuthini?
Sure. Okay. So I think the first time Sithole taste the decision the Constitutional Court was the Mbali Enhle and Black Coffee divorce.
Okay.
Divorce yabo, they were divorcing as a couple that is made out of communal property. Quickly, why shintsha uMbali Enhle nabo mmeli bakhe bathi kahle we are not out of community because Tina saqala ngokwenza ilobolo kuqala, and according to the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act umshado loyo. So by the time sign le anti-nuptial contract isilungisela lo mshado lo omhlophe wephepha, it was already too late, and that's how that divorce was granted with 50-50 yonke into, and they currently headed for the appeal court. A City Constitutional Court judgment 2 weeks ago actually on another case now, not Mbali Enhle neya Black Coffee. A City actually lento lebesiloke siyenze ukuthi khokha amalobolo kulonyaka and enter into a customary marriage. Mase siphinde sidlulisa unyaka silokho sithungisa silungisela kahle ukuthi sesoshada white wedding manje. Mase senza anti-nuptial contract. Anti-nuptial contract is a document that puts us in a marriage that is out of communal property. Ngamanye amagama share amafa. Mase senza anti-nuptial contract before lo mshado wesilungu is wrong. Wonke nje umuntu who has been doing that since kwaqala isikhathi is actually married in communal property and not out of communal property the way that they think, because they failed to do the anti-nuptial contract before ilobola, because umshado lo wesintu has the same rights as umshado lo wesingisi.
So basically, in simple terms, umuntu oqala ngokulobola engena agreement and then they move on later to sign and then kube ne agreement. That agreement is invalid.
It's invalid. That's what the Constitutional Court said. All of them, all millions of us who have been doing this for years, we are married in communal property. All those anti-nuptial contracts lodged at the deeds office are invalid.
So what does it mean if ufike walobola umuntu? Obviously, nazana ngafike kusane nasenahlukana, and then you move on, uyolobola omunye noma mhlawumbe usihlalele. What does that mean for you?
Your lobola marriage is the valid marriage, and the only way you can get out of umshado lobola, which is the customary marriage, is through a divorce. If you haven't gotten a divorce court order, you are still in that marriage, and not only are you in that marriage, but you are in it in community of property.
And the next question, obviously, eqhamuka kumlaleli ngiyamuzwa ngila ukuthi okay ngalobola ke mina ke sengifuna out ngiqala phi ngenze njani uma sengifuna ukudivorce njengoba uthi angidivorce.
How do you do that? How do you get divorced from
ilobola marriage?
You have to go to Home Affairs and tell them kutsenya divorce ake manje ngicela i-marriage certificate yami yosiko. Kukhona i-marriage certificate yosiko lesingayenzi thina. I-customary marriage really has to be the only marriage that is registered isiphelile. Either ngoba ufuna divorce or oyedwa wenu sekashonile.
Uqeda ungivula amehlo futhi manje. So umulobola legally kune marriage certificate yelobola ekufanele ngabe uyayithola ka Home Affairs. Should fanele ubatshene ukuthi
you register.
Okay. and futhi
yeah fanele uyo-register exactly
noma ngayenzanga kodwa uma sengihlukana nomuntu fanele ngihambe futhi ngiya Home Affairs ngiyodivorce ngisho ukuthi ngiyadivorce ke manje kulokushada engikushadile kwelobola
100%. I-Customary Marriage Act, ET, there are 3 requirements for a customary marriage to be recognized and to be valid. None of them have registration. The first one, we've discussed this a lot last year, you and I. The first one is you have to be of legal age, over the age 18 and above. The second one, you have to consent to being married customarily. And how do we evaluate that you consented? This is only one of the examples. It's not the only form of consent, but it's the most prominent one.
Okay.
August, and then he is consenting to uqala lendlela yosiko nokungena emshadweni losiko. Ngesikhathi umndeni wentombazane nentombazane ivuma lo suku bethi siyanamukela ngomhla ka14 August, they are consenting. The girl and her family are consenting to the customary union being formed. Maybe fika obhuti abakhongi ngalelo langa lelo umkhwenyana mhlambe ehlele emotweni elinde lo becoming Mrs. what lelo tray. Ngesikhathi esalindile i-tray emotweni abakhongi bengena esangweni benegotiator befika phakathi bebuza ukuthi malini ilobola beshiya deposit yolobola betshengisa ukuthi unamandla ubafo wokushada bebeqeda banikeza ukudla kuphuzwe ubhuti athole ukudla kwakhe ngetray sesinegotiateile lapho siqedile sesize sa celebrate ngisho leyo nto leyo. Then you have met all 3 requirements of umshado. Basically sishadisa sisazocela ke manje in terms of the double HP and Lerato case, and then you are married in commutal property. That is why it's important to make sure that you have the antenuptial contract done before you even write the letter yelobol, because it's very tricky and how quick you meet the 3 requirements. Now with all these 3 requirements, none of them says registration. You're not legally forced to register a customary marriage, and that is why there is such a huge mess. That is why the Constitutional Court judgment is shaking up the whole country, because people thought the only marriage that has a certificate is the civil marriage, and that's not the case. You can go to Home Affairs nencwadi yelobola neithombe zomshado ne-affidavit from wonke umuntu ade khona or abakhongi at least niye Home Affairs niyothi hayi ke sesiqedile ukushada ngwesintu sicela i-marriage certificate yethu. You don't have to ukulinda unyaka uthenge ingubo emhlophe uyoshada ngokwengubo emhlophe ukuze uthole i-certificate. You are legally entitled to a certificate usalobolile nje.
Hleli kamnandi ozolambatha right chair on Rands and Cents sidingida lona lolu daba le Constitutional Court le ethi ruling about ilobola it being umshado ohlanganisayo. Ake sihambe sithi Jobe masibuye saqhubeka unpacking further. If you have any questions you'd like to ask uZola njengamanje, do hit us up via WhatsApp ku 063-839-9959.
Rands and Cents on the Midday Connection.
We are within the Rands and Cents, and we've got Uzola Mbatha stirring up a super hot conversation. Sikhuluma ngama ruling a Constitutional Court that touch on ilobola. And Uzola, you said something really interesting that caught my attention, that usulobolile ke senhlukene ansazwani. The next step okufanele uyenze ukuthi uhambe ye Home Affairs bese uyodivorce ngomshado welobolo.
Yes. So customary marriage. So lo mshado welobola, if ngabanga ne agreement before, my understanding is that nishada ngokuhlanganisa. A customary marriage is automatically in commutal property if awenzanga antenuptial contract before ulobola.
In most cases uma senihlanganisa umshado wokuhlanganisa, meaning fanele nihlukanisa ama assets. So once you go to Home Affairs and say umuntu engangimlobolile usasilobolene naye sesihlukene ngicela ukuzosayina i-divorce yomshado welobolo, where does it leave ukuhlanganiswa nezinto zakho nezinto zakhe?
So umshado nje in commutal property, the biggest consequence yawo is 2 biggest consequences. The first is ikoloto zakho neikoloto zami, they affect each other. Okay, if I have an estate valued at $1 million, unekolotos are 2 million, ngishade nawe in commercial property and the estate yakho ayina nix, they will take that $1 million from me. So that's one of the biggest consequences of umshado in commercial property. Ikoloto zethu ziyas affect. So nomshado ke wesintu ke manje, in terms of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act, it includes lezo ikoloto lezo, number one. Number two, if you do get to divorce, like I said, ordinarily umshado lo wesilungu uvela uthathe leyo marriage certificate uyoyifaka e-regional court and then ucela ukuthi ngicela nikhiphela amaphepha divorce. Lo wethu wesintu, because asikho forced register, so register usually umusuphela either through death or divorce. Uyahamba nalamaphepha, i-letter yelobola, affidavit from umuntu ngisho yedwa nje owayekhona ngesikhathi kuza kulotsholwa, kudliwa, kucelebratewa, isithombe esisodwa salelo suku lelo ngiyayiswa e-Home Affairs, uyacela Home Affairs ba-issue a marriage certificate for a customary marriage. Leyo certificate leso uyasithatha usise enkantolo to institute the divorce. Now when you instituting a divorce yomshado in commercial property, vele kusho ukuthi uthi akuhlukaniswe in half ama estates. So and what that estate includes is your house. If wangilobola unendlu or ulobole mina nginendlu, leyo ndlu leyo iyangena kuleyo mshado. I-pension lo isebenzelayo when you're a teacher, when you're a nurse, work for the government, whatever job oyisebenzayo in a pension fund as a benefit, leyo pension leyo half i-pension. Sesi-court order izobe isiphuma isithi divorced, you split the assets in equal. 50-50, you get your pension immediately, and that's a bad thing for abantu ade bengazi ukuthi bangena kumshado or in commercial property. As a result, umthetho can be harsh, but there are fair things ezikusizayo. If dala ngagcinana ngempela akusiwona lo mshado ukuthi nihlukana namhlanje ade nithandana niphila nobabili, kanti dala nahlukana, then you can apply for what is called forfeiture of assets. Sengisho ukuthi uthi kwinkantolo ngiyavuma ukuthi sa divorce, but mina noPhilani or mina noSonek dala sagcinana sekuphele 20 years singaphili together, sesemshadweni ngenxa ye Recognition of Customary Marriages Act nalama constitutional courts. So ngi-applyela ukuthi angatholi pension yami because it's not fair. Besingekho together bese ngekho ngesikhathi ngakha le pension le, then ijudge lizokwazi ukuthi ligrante leyo forfeiture. Ikhona eqeda ugrantwa i-forfeiture adisemaphepeni a couple of weeks ago, where usisi uthole ingane ngaphandle emshadweni, ubhuti wamdivorce wa-apply ukuthi angayitholi pension yakhe ngoba ezale ngaphandle komshado. Inkantolo yayigranta leyo nto leyo, usisi akayitholanga ipension.
Okay, we got a question coming through from umlaleli.
Sanibonani bafana bahle, mina ngicela ukubuza ke ngale ndaba ye customary marriage. Ngicela ukuba anonymous. Angithi manje like some of us are married to ama foreigners, ne? If let's say you are in a genuine relationship with a foreigner, useka lobola naye wenza yonke into walobola nje waqeda ukuthi kusele isisuku lomshado, does that count as well? Does the law count as well ukuthi nawe you are like in a legally binding customary marriage with a foreigner? Thank you.
Hayi asibethu, hayi ngoba ngihleke cause ihlekisa le ndaba. Ngihlekisa ukuthi if you just go through TikTok, you will see the number of foreigners asebelobola odadewethu. Bakahle ama-foreigners ukuthi leyo mshado in commercial property. It's a modus operandi, istayela nje futhi. Umunye ulahlekelwe yindlu ade ecela usizo beza banithega abantu Zolambatha, please can you help this lady? Indlu ayikho. Umshadile, ushada ubhuti waseZimbabwe, wamshada in commercial property, ubhuti waseZimbabwe beqeda wahamba wabuyela eZimbabwe, washiya divorce, wathi ucela uhalf wendlu. So it is exactly that. As soon as it's landed ilobolo usiko lala South Africa, then ushadile in commercial property. Unless usisi wahamba mhlawumbe wayolotshola khona le kumhlaba lo wayi foreigner, then akashadile ke South Africa.
Okay.
But if bamlobolele la South Africa, she's married in commercial property.
Next question now.
Hi Sonek, no Zola. I have a question, guys. Ngoba sikhuluma ngeindaba zamalobolo nje, what happens if usulobole kathathu? Ngoba vele sinaso isithembu, does that mean all 3 girls that you also alobolile amakhosikazi akho, and once you die bazoshare noma kuzothola lokuqala owashona, and mekuthi kuthola lokuqala wena usushonile, then lawa manye bekuyini, because isithembu sikhona in our culture, so that should be recognized as well. So I'm totally clarity la, but how is that then phased?
Yo, that's a very good question, because a lot of people bakule ithembu lezi akhuluma ngaso lo bhuti lo. So now it gets a bit complex in this way. Yes, he is correct. I-Recognition of Customary Marriages Act iyasivuma isithembu futhi iyasirecognize isithembu. However, there are requirements you must meet for isithembu to be legal. A, unkosikazi lo qala must consent ukujoin abanye abakhosikazi. B, she must consent verbally. B, leso sithembu lo nkosikazi omusha omlethayo kufanele umise enkantolo niyokwenza i-contract that will regulate leso sithembu leso. Isizathu salokho ukuthi usuku wakhile nonkosikazi oqala, abanye osisi bangena kwisithembu ngoba befuna lento eyakhiwe. Inkantolo ithi fanele kuvikeleke umakoti lo oqala. So in the absence of that consent and imingekho i-consent, ingekho i-court ordered contract, leso sithembu asikho emthethweni. Ngalokho ke there's only one muntu ozoclaima masushonile, yilo oqala umlobolile. Noma ungalobola abanye abawu-10 akunendaba, they are not recognized. Ku-recognize lo oqala lotsholiwe.
Here's another question. These questions are coming in thick and fast.
Ngiyambingelela egagasini abafana kanje. Ngiyambingelela noma isisto lapho. Mina ngisacela ukubuza la egagasini ukuthi uma ulijonga ufuna ukubalekelana ke nale ukuthi kuhlanganiswa amafu wenza njani? Kumele niqale nenkantolo oqala before uhambe yolobola noma kwenzakalani? Ngifisa ukwazi lokho nje baba. Ngiyabonga.
I can answer the question, Sonny.
Please, go right ahead.
Yeah. If you don't want to be married in communal property, ngokosiko sengisho ukuthi ungafuni umshado wakho wosiko ukuthi ube in communal property, fanele wenze into ekuthiwa i-anti-nuptial contract
Before
ayenziwe enkantolo. Before ubhala ngisho ukuyibhala incwadi yelobola. Before umuwazi nje ukuthi sengiyomlobola lo sisi lo, sisi ngiyokulobola ngizoletha omalume kini, kodwa before ngibaletha, before ngilethe incwadi kini, ngicela siyoqala kumele ekuthiwa i-notary republic ayosenzela i-anti-nuptial contract, kuze sengifika ngizokulobola kungeke kube umshado or in community or property. Uyenza ngalelo before. Then mase seniyisayinile nobabili le anti-nuptial contract yolojwa e-deeds office, ma ubhala incwadi uyise umalume kantombazane zobusushada out of community or property lapho.
Okay, here's a last question because I'm trying to squeeze everything. Kodwa kunzima, the questions are coming in thick and fast.
Hi Gagasi, abafana bahle ngiyabingelela. I just want to ask a question ukuthi I have a friend who was married customarily, walotsholwa wenzela umembese, and then bahlukana nomfana yabo, but umfana memcela divorce akafuni. Umfana ke washada ngokwephepha enkantolo e-home affairs, so seshade umunye umuntu. So umngane uthi i-divorce, ufuna i-divorce because rightfully ufuna obungokwakhe, which is like the 50%.
Yeah.
So in that case, what happens? Please do answer me.
She's wrong, umngani ka-friend. I hope that's not her. She's not talking about herself and calling herself a friend. But if it is, that woman is wrong. Ngokunqaba nje ukwenza le divorce, wenze ubafo ukuthi ayongena kumshado o null and void. Le certificate ubhuti asiphethe manje se-civil marriage is very much an invalid marriage. The only valid marriage he has iwalo mngani lo. And now njengoba sekafuna ukudivorce ngempela lo sisi sekazothola lo 50% walobhuti, and uzowuthola ngisho nalo awakhe ohlanganisa imali yakhe nalo sisi amusha amshadile. So ilento ade ngikhuluma nawe ngayo Sonic mfethu ukuthi we need to be very responsible about the information we're teaching people, because we are not in the job yokufundisa abantu yokwenza izinto zokukhohlakala. Ukukhohlakala ukunqaba ukudivorce umuntu mususu umbona ukuthi ujabulile seyakha nomunye umuntu usufuna ukumdivorce uthathe lezo zinto lezo. Kodwa with that being said, because asiwona ama-judge, umshado valid la ilo elobola lo sisonqabile ukudivorce, and she's well entitled to get divorced now and get half his estate.
sikuthola kanjani masifuna ukuxhumana nawe and further this conversation. I think we need to part 2 a conversation where we just focus on the questions, because no question nomlaleli are very valid and still ayivula nawe ingqondo.
Yeah, 100. I agree with you. Ngatholakala ku Instagram, ngatholakala ku TikTok, and then of course my website legacyezibaya.co.za.
Siyabonga kakhulu Zola mfethu. Yo, hey, letho mshado mfethu, ayingiphu ayifethu ayingeke mfethu.
Gagasi FM.